Hello. Finally, we are going to practice Hoponopono inner cleansing process. It's a very wonderful and awesome process. We'll start with this now. I would suggest you to do this on a daily basis to reap maximum benefits. Alright? So we will start with Hoponopono as usual. We say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. When we say these simple words, when directed to the source of our pain, it cleanses it. So now inner self healing through Hoponopono is nothing but deleting the data in our subconscious mind and asking forgiveness from someone, but asking forgiveness for interpretation of data in our mind, taking complete responsibility for everything that has happened in our life and for what we as well as others are experiencing too. There's nothing to do but to clean. There's either memory or inspiration that is required to clean. Most of the times it is our memory that is required to clean. So now we will start with the Hoponopono prayer. Very wonderful guided meditation. Have a glass of water. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So keep your eyes closed. Do not open your eyes. We will start with the Hoponopono prayer of guided meditation. We are nothing but a part of a whole. So now, self-identity through Hoponopono is an updated version of Hawaiian process of Hoponopono that releases the memories that are stored in our subconscious mind. These memories are again activated by our thoughts. Our mind is like a thinking machine that activates these thoughts. So now, it thinks millions of thoughts a day. So, we are conscious of a tiny portion of these millions of thoughts. When a thought comes to mind, even without us realizing it, automatically activates a memory stored in our subconscious mind, then manifests itself as a problem. Problems are memories that recur throughout our lives. When we are conscious that we are 100% responsible for everything that we manifest in our lives, then we accept our problems as a chance to clean them from our lives. We can appeal to divinity who knows our personal blueprint for healing of all our thoughts and memories that are holding us back to this time. I don't need to know what is happening or feel guilty since I don't know why I activated this memory that manifested itself as a problem in my life. When I try to solve my problems by myself, I may fail because I will turn once again a memory of my past or my ancestors associated with that problem. When I allow the divine intelligence to solve this problem, the solution appears perfect. So I don't know what is best for me. I allow the divine intelligence to give me the right answer. How will I do that? By assuming that I am 100% responsible for everything that I manifest in my life and wondering what is going on in me that I am expressing this problem. And then say to myself, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. because I know I am part of the divine and therefore perfect in my home. I'm sorry that I have expressed this problem in my life since I am 100% responsible for whatever has happened. Please forgive me. I am asking forgiveness to myself, so I will be releasing everything that requires forgiveness. Thank you for this problem has manifested itself in my life, so I have one more chance to clean it. Thank you for this problem has been resolved. Repeating these words, which are the key words to reach the subconscious mind, thereby we are releasing these painful memories that are caused in our lives and the lives of people involved with this problem. It is a matter of going beyond traditional means of assessing knowledge beyond ourselves. Nobody can guess what will be our next thought because thoughts come from our subconscious mind. So, as I don't have control at all over what will be my next thought, I can act on them or not. Act means clear these programs and memories that manifest themselves as problems. If the intellect work by itself, then it may not release this problem because it will only conceal it through its intelligence. But since any problem is a projection of our mind or memories or programs, they will come back in another season. As soon as they are activated again by our thinking, what we really want is clean, delete, releasing these memories and programs. When we say, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you to the divinity that is in us, it neutralizes and erases those memories that were stored in our subconscious mind and transform these energies into pure love. I am asking love to rectify this error that is in me, saying, I am sorry, please forgive me for whatever is happening in me and that is causing this problem. We are all perfect. What is imperfect in us is our memories and programs stored in our subconscious mind that we share with other people. As soon as I clean and delete what is imperfect in me, automatically the other people involved with this issue also will have cleared these memories that are manifesting problems. What I have to do is be 100% responsible for everything that appears in my life by saying, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. And let God or the divine in you or the superconscious mind or whatever you call it as cancel these memories and programs. And then what is best for you will appear in your life. So now, the physical is the expression of memories and inspirations taking place in the soul of self-identity. Change the state of self-identity and the state of the physical world will change. When your soul experiences memories, say to them mentally or silently, I love you dear memories. I am grateful for the opportunity to free all of you and me. I love you can be repeated quietly again and again. Memories will never go on occasion or any vacation or retire unless you retire them. I love you can be used even if you are not conscious of problems. To better understand Ho'oponopono, please keep repeating this prayer that is nothing but a guided meditation along with prayer. Now, do not open your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly become aware of your surroundings. Slowly and gradually, as soon as you become comfortable, you can open your eyes. I'm sure that you felt very good by practicing this. I would would suggest you to keep on practicing on a daily basis at least once when you wake up or when you sleep. Thank you.